Hello, and this is a tour of my house here. So let's start. So right here we've got the TV. Pretty nice. There's only one channel on it, and it's this bouncing cube and checkerboard background. It's a good channel anyway. Next up, we've got the cat or whatever that thing is. With some books, some more books. Nice rug and couch. And with my dog. So, hi dog. And here's my kitchen. And what are we doing here? I don't know why it's doing this. Oh, it seems to have stopped. But, no. So, technical difficulties. Anyways, so here's my husband hotel poster right here with my with my custom table. That's it. So, this has been my video. Goodbye.